evaluate the integral of dx over the square root of e to the x minus 1. So we can apply first, use substitution here. So I will let u be equal to the square root of e to the x minus 1. And then we get the square of both sides. So u square is equal to the square root of e to the x minus 1 quantity squared. So therefore, we have u square is equal, so the square root of e to the x minus 1, when you square it will be equal to e to the x minus 1. You will cancel out the square root with the square. Now get the derivative. Okay. The derivative of u squared is 2u du equals the derivative of e to the x minus 1. The derivative of e to the x, it's e to the x minus the derivative of 1, 0, then times dx. Or we simply have 2u du equal to e to the x minus 0 or e to the x dx. Now we substitute. So we have the integral of dx. So if we try to solve for dx here, we can divide both sides by e to the x. So we have 2u du over e to the x equal, canceling out the e to the x, we have dx. But we need to transform, or we need to express e to the x in terms of u. So we can represent e to the x in terms of u using the substitution, particularly on this part. We can solve for e to the x here by transposing this negative 1 to the left. Therefore, u squared plus 1 is equal to e to the x. Okay? E to the x. So therefore, the dx will now be equal to 2u du divided by the e to the x. In terms of u, that's u squared plus 1. U squared plus 1. Okay, so substitute the dx here. Dx is now equal to 2 du over u squared plus 1. Okay, and then all over the square root of e to the x minus 1 equal to u. So we have over u. Or this can be written as 2u du over u times u squared plus 1. So we can cancel out the u. Therefore, we will have 2 du over u squared plus 1. Or you can put this constant 2 in front of the integral. You'll have 2 integral of 1 or du over u squared plus 1. So what is the integral of du over u squared plus 1? So that's already a standard integral formula, right? So 2 times integral of du over u squared plus 1, it's equal to arctan of u. Then put plus c for the constant of integration. So final step is to substitute back the u in terms of x, which is square root of e to the x minus 1. So the final answer is 2 arctangent of u, which is square root of e to the x minus 1 plus c. So this is the final answer.